We're taking you live to the Caribbean this morning. Here's how things look right now in Barbados. You can see just how windy it is right now. Hurricane Beryl is expected to make landfall in just a matter of hours. So we've got meteorologist Maria Ruiz here. She's been tracking this storm overnight. And what are you seeing at this point? I know Kyle and I were talking about this weekend, and he's worried about his trip to the Cayman Islands.
Oh,
and,
yeah,
and how
I would
things
be
are
too.
things are gonna shape out there.
Okay, so here's the thing. It was a Category 4 yesterday.
Yep.
It is now a Category 3, but it is expected to strengthen again because these waters are acting like waters that we generally see during peak hurricane season, or the temperature of the waters. So let me give you a little information about Beryl. Beryl is a Category 3, max sustained wind of 120 miles per hour, wind gusts of 150. It was briefly a Category 4 on Sunday, the earliest Category 4 on record, might I add. On average, we don't see a hurricane in the Atlantic basin until August, so we are well ahead of schedule here, and it is actually the first major hurricane east of the Caribbean. So that's quite impressive, just how it has been acting and how it strengthened on Sunday. So what we're seeing now, hurricane warnings are in place for some of the Windward Islands. We're going to continue to watch this because it'll eventually continue to make its way towards and across the Caribbean. It will impact areas of Jamaica, I know areas of Haiti and the Dominican Republic under some of those warnings as it approaches the Yucatan Peninsula, Category 2, and then it moves into the Gulf. Here's the thing though, what we're watching is what happens after it moves into the Gulf. Every line that you see there is a different model. Most models, pretty good agreement that it stays in the Caribbean, but after it makes it onto the Yucatan Peninsula, it moves into maybe a handful of models showing this closer to Texas. So we'll be watching this for early next week. On top of that, Tropical Storm Chris just formed, and that is impacting Mexico. No local impacts expected here, Cleo.